Guys, take a look at this phantom wallet. All of this came from launching my own meme coins on repeat. Not by trading and not by luck. Just by using a repeatable strategy that works consistently. Stick around and I'll show you exactly how I did it step by step without gatekeeping. Now there's an exact reason why I switched from trading to launching meme coins. Well, that's because every single meme coin I bought in turned into the exact same story. Well, I would enter and then boom, the dev would liquidate my entire position. Just like this chart right here. I would buy in and then boom, just like that. Now that's exactly when it clicked. The real winners in this space are not traders. They're the ones launching, bro. Launching coins is where you make real money because launching puts you in control. You decide the narrative, the supply, and everything from the start. You've got nothing to lose because creating coins costs literally $0 on Pump.Fun and on the Raydium DEX. Literally $0, bro. Okay, and in today's video, I will show you guys exactly how to launch your very first Solana token on the blockchain and then dump it for some generational wealth and potentially turn $0 into like 1.5k or some shit and just do this over and over again because yes, this method is repeatable. And by the way, bro, this entire video is not financial advice. It's all for entertainment purposes only. It's purely educational, so do not copy me. Cap! Now, a lot of beginner devs, okay, when they want to launch their very first meme coin, well, they go to Pump.Fun, okay? Now, let me tell you why you do not want to be launching your coins on Pump.Fun. Because Pump.Fun is oversaturated. There's too many coins and not enough visibility. Your meme coin has to reach a $95,000 market cap for it to be migrated onto the Raydium DEX, which takes too long and it's basically impossible. And on top of that, bro, you do not control your own liquidity, which means even though you are up in profits, you cannot cash out that money. That's exactly why I switched to create coins.io because this launchpad bro solves all of that instantly. Your coin launches directly onto the Raydium DEX, which means it will be immediately graduated and becomes tradable within seconds in front of a bunch of traders, bro. That is the beauty of launching directly onto the Raydium DEX. You are skipping the bonding curve and you are reaching thousands of potential trenchers, okay? That means more eyes, more liquidity, and more profit potential. And by the way, bro, you do control your own liquidity on createcoins.io. Now, you've got two options to create a meme coin. The first option is obvious, bro, and that's by creating a brand new token on chain from scratch. So you have to pick a name and a symbol and an image. Now, for that, you need a narrative. So go on X or go on Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, or anything and look for a narrative for your meme coin, okay? It has to be something decent, right? Like a Elon Musk tweet, a political news, some type of drama, joke, meme, anything, bro. Just find something, right? Once you have a good narrative, come back to createcoins.io, invent a name, add a symbol, then add a quick image, and just like that, bro, as simple as that, your meme coin is live on chain. But the second option is actually the method that I recommend, and it's the most profitable if you want to grow a small portfolio, and that's by copying trending coins on repeat, bro. Now, these coins already have traffic and hype, so when you relaunch them on Raydium, you get instant buyers and higher profit potential because the momentum already exists. Bro, you're copying coins that are already working and you are just using their narrative to make more money, bro. It's simple as that. Alright, let's jump straight into it. I would do a quick example on how to copy a coin live so you can see exactly how simple the whole process really is. And obviously, bro, we are going to see how much we make by the end of the coin. So first of all, bro, make sure your phantom white is connected, then click on refresh list, and now let's copy a meme coin, okay? I'm honestly, bro, just going to choose one randomly, so the iPlug coin. It has a last buy 3 seconds ago and a $70,000 market cap, so it looks decent, bro. If it doesn't work, I'ma just move on. So click on create coin. In your blog, bro, proceed confirm, I understand, confirm, and then the coin will be copied in a couple seconds. Boom. And if I go on SoScan, you guys can see that it is live on chain, everything works. Now it's time to create the liquidity pool. Now this page is pretty straightforward, okay? All we're doing here is adding liquidity. Now Pump.Fun does not offer you guys the option to create your own liquidity pool. This is why create coins is so special. Now this step is what activates your token on Raydium and makes it instantly tradable the moment it goes live. Now for the amount token A, just make sure you tap on 90%. That is gonna drop 900 million tokens. Right under for the amount token B, think of this as your first buy into your own project. You are not losing that SOL, by the way. It is just being locked temporarily to open up the liquidity pool. The minimum is 0.3 SOL, and once you remove the liquidity later, all that Solana goes right back to you, so we have nothing to lose, bro. It is simply the first buy. I'ma put 0.35 SOL, and then click on create pool. After that, click on confirm. When that is done, bro, click on the refresh button, scroll down, and boom, the iPlug coin is now live, okay? You guys can see that your profits will show up right here. And if you click on the refresh button to check your official profits right here, now we're up $134, which is absolutely insane, bro, because people are buying a coin, and that is proof of concept. Now click on view on Photon to see the chart, okay? Let me go on full screen. And now the coin is live, bro. You guys can see that we're already up a couple $100. Oh my god, we're at a $1,700 market cap. Things are actually insane. We're getting transactions left and fucking right, bro. This is why you have to be. Oh my god, bro. It's pumping so fucking much. Guys, you guys gotta tap in with Deving, bro. Oh my god, it's pumping. Absolutely insane, bro. We're getting a lot of fucking traction, bro. This is what I am talking about, bro, okay? Dude, we created this coin for completely $0, and now we're getting some proof of concept right here. Oh my god, guys. Creating coins is actually fucking insane. Now I am used to it, okay? Just do not be emotional. Just let the coin pump and pump and pump. More and more people are going to view the coin and buy in, and that is why it is so good. Now give this coin some time for it to pump. I will do a quick time lapse. When I am back, we are going to make some money. Okay guys, I am back and we're at a 2.5k market cap. It was higher before, but I think we farmed enough transactions because we're making money off of the fees and we're making money off of the supply. So come back to createcoins.io, and obviously, bro, click on the refresh button to check your profits in real time. And boom, we're up $1,500, which is not too shabby. It's around 11.69 SOL. Click on the minus button, 200% right here. Then click on the red button. And as you guys can see, bro, we're going to receive around 11.5 Solana, which is not too shabby. Click on confirm. And boom, bro, that's exactly how you dev meme coins and make some quick bread. Now, if I open my Phantom wallet, because a bunch of you guys do not believe me, you guys can see that we just received the entire amount inside my Phantom wallet, bro, just like so. It's fucking insane, bro. You guys gotta tap in, bro. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. It would help me a lot, bro, and try this method out. If you have any questions, bro, DM me on X at Jay.crypto or GP Flips. And yeah, bro, peace.